Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you I have found a way to fix Google storage for free. So basically, if your storage here is almost full or is full, what you're going to do is to delete unnecessary temporary files or files that you have already downloaded or used. Then go to your trash and then empty your trash. Basically, you will see here that your storage has increased. You can also download these files first and then delete and then transfer this to your external if you have or flash drive. Now, basically, if you want to increase the storage of your Google, then all you have to do is to upgrade. But there is no such thing as free here because you cannot upgrade your storage for free. You need to pay for this. You need to purchase this. But there's also a way on how to upgrade your storage for free, but this is just for 1 month. Okay, so you have to go to Gemini Advanced and you have to click this try it for 1 month. You need to tap this 2 TB and you need to add your payment method here. Don't worry, you will not be charged for a month. You can use this um Gemini AI for free in just 1 month. And then after that, you need to cancel this before your deadline. So if you cannot cancel this, then obviously you will be charged. But if not, then you will not be charged. Basically, you can use this, you can increase your storage and you can add your files here. And if you want to transfer it, you need to transfer all those files before the deadline. But there is this also application named Drive Upgrader. All you have to do is to go to any web browser and then type this. And then on this side, you will see this Drive Upgrader right here. So this Drive Upgrader, all you have to do here is you have to connect your account and then you can upgrade the storage of your Google account. So this is what it looks like. Tap this one and then start injection and wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And you just have to follow the instruction in how to install this one. Once installed, like what I've mentioned earlier, you just have to add your account and then you have the option there and all you have to do is to click that specific like 2 TB for your storage to increase. But you can try this one if you want, but I can proceed with the following instructions since it needs installing other application right here, but you can try if you want to. And then it may somehow help you increase your storage on your Google. Anyways, this is not to mislead you, but this is just to show you that in order for you to get a free storage for free, I mean forever, you need to purchase or upgrade your storage using any of the payment method in order for you to get that. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want us to create tutorials and videos, please do comment and suggest down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.